Welcome back to the Food Blessings. Today we have taken out white sauce pasta recipe from Food Treasures. The creamy, smooth, lightly spiced with Italian herbs white sauce along with stir-fry vegetables and boiled pasta, the popular Italian recipe liked by everyone. So let's begin with today's recipe. Pour around 1 liter of water in a large pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Bring the water to boil. Add 1 cup or 100 grams of pasta to pot. Always go through the packet instructions that you are using. According to the instructions given on the packet which I am using, I need to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes till it becomes al dente. Al dente means it should have a bite, means it should be firm and retain its original shape. To check, take out one pasta, cut it with knife. While cutting, if it is firm and not hard, that means it is nicely cooked. If it is hard to cut, that means it requires more cooking. It should be cooked up to 80%. Further cooking will be done while we will cook in white sauce. Transfer it to colander and put water over it to stop further cooking. Now we will stir fry vegetables to add in pasta. In a wok, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Cook garlic until its rawness goes away. Add large sized chopped onion. Cook until it becomes translucent. It will take around 2 minutes. Add in rest of vegetables like 2 tablespoon carrots cut into cubes. Make sure not to overcook any of vegetables. Cook until it becomes little tender. Add 1 tablespoon green bell peppers cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon of red bell peppers and 1 tablespoon of yellow bell peppers. Add in salt, add half teaspoon of pepper, add in fistful of boiled corn. You can add vegetables of your choice. If you don't like any one of them, you can replace with the vegetables that you like. Saute them until they become slightly tender and crunchy. Make sure not to overcook. Now for making white sauce, add 4 teaspoon butter, 4 teaspoon white flour. Always keep the quantity of butter and all-purpose flour same while making white sauce. Keep on tossing for around 30 to 40 seconds or until rawness of all-purpose flour goes away. Do this whole process on low flame so that it won't burn. Make sure color of flour should not change. Now start adding the milk gradually. Keep on mixing fast so that there should be no lumps form up. It's good to use whisk at that point of time. Keep on whisking until it becomes smooth. Now add more milk. I have used approximately 500 grams of milk to the roux or for making white sauce. Keep on mixing until it becomes smooth. When it becomes smooth and creamy, add in salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Add half teaspoon chili flakes. If you don't like, skip chili flakes. Add 1 cube of cheese to the sauce. Mix all the spices well. While cooking, when sauce starts to coat on the spoon you are using, that means this is the perfect consistency. Now white sauce is ready, vegetables also has been stir fried and pasta is also boiled. It's time to mix all of them together. Add in stir fry vegetables, mix well, add in boiled pasta. Cook further until the sauce, vegetables and pasta get incorporated with each other nicely. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see sauce has been nicely coated to vegetables and pasta. That means it's done. If you find sauce has become little thick, add a little more milk or boiling water to bring it to right consistency. Ready to serve. Garnish with grated cheese. Serve hot. You can top it with oregano, mixed herbs and chili flakes. Here we are with today's creamy cheesy white sauce pasta recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for now. We'll catch you guys soon in the next video.